Come and learn permaculture with us here in this unique place called Auroville. It's an intentional township in South India, more than 50 years old. Right now, there are over 3,000 residents from 56 nationalities. Within Auroville, there are many communities, one of which is called Anitya, under the Joy of Impermanence project. Joy of Impermanence aims to help incubate communities and a way of living based on 5 main principles: impermanence, community spirit, self-sufficiency, sustainability, and do-it-yourself. Anitya is the first community under this umbrella. We invite you to come and join us in learning a permaculture course. This 72-hour Permaculture Design Certificate course, under the guidance of Bernard Alonso, human permaculture expert, will provide you with practical skills and knowledge necessarily to plan, design, and implement sustainable systems that are in harmony with the natural world. Come join us to learn and be empowered to take action towards regenerating a better future for humanity on planet Earth.